Check it out. Got chicken broth soup. Came with a lunch special at Polish Pokeler. Yeah, I'm gonna do something I haven't done in a minute. And I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to eat this. I'm gonna eat the chicken gizzard. Ugh. Yeah, I don't know, man. I'm just doing this for you guys. Yo, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. I ain't gonna eat any more though. That's for damn sure. Take another sip. Yo, super good. Let's see if they put any chicken neck. Yo, I asked them for chicken neck instead of the gizzards. I'm pretty sure they're like, screw you, we're just giving you gizzards. Because I don't see one chicken neck in here. I'm capping. There it is. Check out the chicken neck. Yo, anyone else eat the bone? I like the chicken neck, or you just like eat the skin? Fire. Damn, there's no more chicken neck. Actually, here there is. Yo, chicken neck is so good. That's it. Super good.